50 years is a cool thing. Looking back, we've created a legacy here.
Dr. Davidson co-founded the clinic in 1970. He worked tirelessly to recruit physician volunteers and raise money.
He and our co-founder, Dr. Phil Rossman, gathered colleagues from St. John's and UCLA and created an all-volunteer operation at night in a dental clinic. People lined up around the block, and so we started.
Under his leadership, it went from a part-time night clinic to a full-time operation.
The clinic was founded as a protest of injustice. Why should some people be taken care of and other people not? Medical care, in my view, is a right that everybody should enjoy.
From there, we grew it, and we grew it carefully, and we didn't lose sight of the prize. And the prize was to provide affordable, good health care to the people who didn't have it. We started a homeless clinic, mental health treatment, domestic violence. We became a family doctor for many of the people that we took care of.
I'm proud that we as Venice Family Clinic have been able to grow.
We have currently 14 locations.
But while growing, I'm proud that we have involved and kept the legacy of many people who've been involved with us in the past and then continued to reach out to others for the future.
I'm very proud of Liz Forer, my successor.
Liz is an inspired leader. She knew exactly what to do. If you want to get the job done right, put a woman in charge, and we charged, and it was a good result.
Looking back in terms of our advocacy, those of us here and working together at the clinic did extraordinary work across our community to save the healthcare system in LA County.
Advocacy has been a very important part of the clinic. Sometimes you have to talk for the people who can't talk. So we spoke in Congress, we spoke in Sacramento.
The idea of health equity and that a community is only as healthy as their sickest member.
I came to the clinic because at the time I was not insured anymore because I had lost my job. I had the opportunity to travel to Washington, D.C. to advocate for the protection of the Affordable Care Act. We visited many congressional offices and senators, and the whole purpose of that was to impress upon them the importance of the clinic in providing care.
I was so proud of the Affordable Care Act because so many people got health care for the first time. It doesn't make sense just for the privileged who can afford it to have health care and everyone else to suffer.
The clinic right now serves about 28,000 patients, but the need is so much greater than that.
We're looking forward to say what is the next 50 years going to bring. We know we will be expanding.
We're looking to grow. There are still so many people who are not getting the care they need, and to the extent we get help going forward, we'll be able to do more of that.
The rewarding piece of it is the patients. They're strong, they're resilient, and they actually challenge us to do better in healthcare.
Venice Family Clinic. The money you give us goes right to helping people. It's tangible, you'll see it in action.
I hope the Venice Family Clinic is here in 50 years because I think the world needs more Venice Family Clinics.
We have a model and we know it works, and now we need it for the whole country.
I'm glad we got here 50 years later, and may we continue to do as much good as we're doing.
For all that we have been able to experience together over the years and for all we'll experience in the future, just thank you. We're a good group together.
Happy 50th.
Happy 50th. Happy 50th.
And may you have many, many more.
And more.
And many more clinics, and much more health.
It's just beginning.
Woohoo!